Okay, the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line is this. Basically, it's how you graph the equation, and it's y equals mx plus b. And if you remember from earlier, we had f of x and y are interchangeable. And what this means is this. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept, meaning this equation is where we're going to use to graph a line. That's your y-intercept, where it's going to cross the y-axis. And slope, your rise over run. And also what's really cool about this is you can use a calculator, because the calculator has a y equal button, and you can just type in the number here with an x plus whatever your y-intercept is, and it will graph it. Really? Yeah. So here, let's talk about this here. Oh, looks like that guy's going to intercept the ball from him, cross in front of him and take the ball. So let's determine the slope and y-intercept of each linear equation. So here we have two equations. First off, I want this in the form y equals mx plus b. So simply to get the y by itself, I would have to what? Subtract an x from each side. So there we go. Now I know the m on this one is a negative in front of that x, meaning it's basically what? -1. And the y-intercept is 2. All right? M is -1, and the y-intercept is 2. The m is the value in front of that. Now it's a negative, but don't forget you don't have to put the 1 in front of that. So that's why you write -1 for the slope. And this one over here, and there would be your graph of that right there, starting up at 2, and it's going to go, in a sense, if that's 2, here's 1, it went down 1 and went over 2 to make this particular graph work. All right? Oh. Okay. I also have a little bit of problem here. I'm going to talk from my battery clicker, I think, just went down. So we'll try to I'll talk loud. So keep going. Now let's look at this y equals 2 now. Well, let's think of this here. If there's no x, it's the same thing as 0x. Right? Rewrite it, the 0x in there. And what is 0x? Okay. Well, the slope of 0 and a y-intercept of 2. And its graph would be like that. Notice, right there, I got the little mouse right there going on me. It goes right across just like that. Okay? Straight across, it goes up and down none, and goes all the way across. That's y equals 2, and that would be a constant line, like we may have talked about a little earlier. All right? Okay.